right, good evening everyone. God bless you. This is Dr. Tam K. All right. If this is your first time of coming into this platform, right? Okay, I want to believe that okay, you are here to make money. And here what I do is to share with you ideas that are going to make you to earn money online. But please have it in mind, disclaimer right now, okay? I am not a financial advisor. I only look for opportunities like this online. And when I get opportunities, okay, I come around to share them with people so that you too can as well make money, all right? With no little here and there, little drops of no water. We're going to make an ocean for us. So that's what I do, all right? So please have it in mind that you should tread with care, right? Don't dive in and start dropping your money anyhow. Whatever opportunity I share with you, look into it carefully. If possible, you can do your own findings before you dive into it carefully, right? But I want to let you know that I'm not going to mislead you. So follow my videos carefully. Always when I'm teaching you, okay, when I'm training you, follow them carefully from the beginning to the end. And I want to show you that what you will not going to regret. Is that okay? All right. So what I'm going to do now is to show you. I want to show you how you can make money from Binance, all right? Cryptocurrency, that is the bottom line here. So this is the app we're going to use, right? So I've dropped my link with you there so that you not go and use and you not go straight to what do you call it, Google Play Store to go and make a mistake by picking the wrong app. All right, so I've dropped the link. The link will direct you to go pick the right app on Play Store or your iPhone store as it is, right? So click the link. It will lead you to where you can pick it up. Is that okay? Very good. Now what you do is I'm going to open the app. And this is how it's going to look like. This is the interface of the app, okay, when you open it, all right? This is how it looks like as it is now. So what I want to do is let me see. Okay, very good. Let me show you something. You can see here, you go to sign up or log in, all right? So because I want to train you, I just logged out. So I have to sign in for me to show you. But what I'm going to do is to show you how you can sign up on your own. But please have it in mind that you can only have one account, Binance account, on one device. On one device. You can only have one account on one device. You can't have more than two. Is that okay? So you can actually have more than one. That is it, right? You can only have one. So let's click on sign up. All right, click on sign up. So what you're going to do is you go and click the link I dropped in the comment section, right? Click on the link, copy the code as well. If possible, just screenshot and keep it somewhere, and then go and paste it somewhere, and then you are good to go. Is that okay? All right. So when you have done that, what you're going to do is you can continue with Google, or you can use your email. All right. So let me show you how you can use Google. If you want to use Google, right? Click on continue with Google. Then pick any of the email you want to use, all right? So let's ask me for this class, let me use this one. Okay, so when it comes, allow Google to sign you into this, okay? So you're going to say agree and share. All right, so I've been linked up now. They're going to ask me using Google account, okay, this. They say create new Binance account. That is because I already have one, or link another Binance account. Okay, I'm going to say create new Binance account, which I'm going to use to train you. I'm not going to create it, right? But I want to use to show you what you can do to come into Binance, all right? It's as simple as that. What you're going to do, create your account, confirm. Click on confirm. All right, that will lead us to referral ID. If you have option, I just let go of it and click what next. Okay, so enable passkey. Now please have it in mind, you can use the referral link, but you cannot use the referral code. That's what I say. So you can actually use the link that I gave to you so that to direct you to write the very correct app to use. All right, please do that. Now add passkey if you want to, but if you don't want to add passkey, quickly click on this to cancel that. Click here to cancel it. All right, so you have already login. I want to show you how you can get verified, all right, using Binance. So after you have created your account, the next thing for you to do is to get verified. Until you get verified at that, you cannot use Binance. So quickly, they're going to give you 7 minutes to do that. Put the country you find yourself. We're in Nigeria, right? So the next thing, just click on continue. All right, the next is welcome to Binance. What is your name? Put your name. All right, let me just quickly do this to show you how it goes. All right, so I'm using that. The middle name is optional, so I'm not creating this. Okay, I'm just using this to show you what to do. Right now, what is your nationality? Again, click on what? Just click on this draw down. All right, click on draw down, pick Nigeria. Then click on continue. Now your date of birth. Okay, just put the year first. 4 digits. Okay, not less than 18 years, but make sure you are not less than 18 years. All right, the month and then the day. All right, do that and then click on what? Continue. All right, the residential address. Okay, where you live, just put in something where you live. All right, I'll have to hold on. All right, so I just formed this street now. All right, I click on continue. All right, the next thing, what is your current residential address? Okay, that is a postal code. For you to get the postal code, just put the area of your on Google. Just go to Google, put the area of the name of your area on Google and type postal code. You're going to pop up, right? So I'm just going to put this one for formality's sake. I'm just going to do that. Then the city. All right, then the country, of course, you are in Nigeria, so click on continue. Now, document verification, you can use BVN or you can use NIN. Now, please, that reminds me, please make sure you use your legal name. All right, make sure you use your legal name, because by the time you are selling your crypto or buying crypto, we're going to use that to identify you. So use the legal name that you have on your bank accounts. All right, don't use something else. Don't fake it. All right, don't even try, because it may cause problem for you, right? So use the correct names. All right, very important. So let's say we're using NIN. You click on NIN, right? Click on continue. Then put the NIN number if you have it. All right, let's say all right, I'm just forming this. Okay, 11 digits. Then click on what? I have read and agreed with whatever Binance said. Okay, click on continue. All right, so guys, after you have done all of that, okay, the next thing they're going to do is to allow you to take a picture of yourself. You're going to take a photograph of yourself, right? They'll ask you to do that, and then put in your NIN, your BVN, take a photograph of yourself. I think along the line they're going to do all of that, and they'll get you verified, and you are good to go.